Good morning, Niger, and welcome to another beautiful week with me on Top Health Corner, your one and only Dr. Adora. This week, wetin I get for you. Now, wetin I been dey end with last week, and that na the glaucoma matter. I been tell you last week, say glaucoma na something, na disease where they affect the eye, where if they not treat them, it go eventually lead to blindness. And wetin dey happen, we say the pressure of the water where they inside our eye, where they normally dey back, it go come circulate to front, come find where it go use waka. If you not see where to if they use to waka, if you can't increase, wetin go happen, we say you can't get this glaucoma. And when that won't happen, if it eventually lead to blindness, if they never treat them. Normally, this water that they call them aqueous humor, and they flow out of the eye through one kind channel like that. So if this channel they blocked, the fluid go come they build up and come they cause glaucoma. The direct cause of this blockage, they never sabi wetin it be. But doctors know say na something where you fit inherit. Meaning say you dey pass them from papa and mama. If papa and mama get them, you can't go to their children. Well, wetin be some of the less common causes of this glaucoma? One of them, now if you get blunt or chemical injury to the eye. When I say blunt or chemical injury, I mean, for example, you hit your eye somewhere, or person just carry one kind thing, chook for inside your eye, or something enter, or if you they use some kind chemicals, like ladies when we they makeup, if you go use expired makeup, go come enter inside your eye, go come cause kasala. Then for some people, if you get severe eye infection where they not treat well, this one go they block blood vessels inside the eye, and all this one will come lead to different inflammatory conditions of the eye. Occasionally, some people where they do eye surgery to correct another condition, fit from there, go enter kasala, go cause glaucoma, from there lead to blindness. This glaucoma, they usually happen for both eyes, but it may involve each eye to a different extent. Want to say, if it did 90% for this eye, for the next eye, it should be 20%. So what will be the different types of glaucoma? Majorly, we get two main types of glaucoma. One now open angle glaucoma. They also call this one wide angle glaucoma, and this one are the most common type of glaucoma. For this one, the structures of the eye, as in the way the eye be, they appear normal, but the fluid inside the eye, that water where I've been they talked before, they flow properly to drain the eye. You understand? Through that channel where I've been they tell you about before. That's how everything they happen for open angle glaucoma. For angle closure glaucoma, this is not the second one. They call this one acute or chronic angle closure or narrow angle glaucoma. Forget all this big name. What time they try to explain, they say this type of glaucoma, it is less common for our side. It is less common in the West than in Asia. And for this one, what happen, we say they get poor drainage, which waiting they cause this one now because the angle between the iris and the cornea, this is different parts for inside our eye, they very narrow, and if they physically blocked self by the iris. Now here I go back break on top this matter. If you want to know more about waiting they happen for inside this type of glaucoma, not try yourself. Tomorrow, tune in same time, and I go there here to give you the rest of the gist. My name is Dr. Adora Eyes, as usual, and this is your Health Corner on Top Good Morning Niger show.
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.